You can use this touchscreen display and these control panel buttons to view information and adjust settings for various vehicle systems. Touch this icon to display the quick settings screen. The launch bar can be used to access the home screen, audio to play media sources, phone, or apps. Touch an item in the launch bar to switch screens. Swipe the screen right or left to view additional menu screens. These screens are customizable to include your preferred widgets. To customize the home menu screen, touch and hold one of the widgets. Touch Add, then select the information you'd like displayed. Touch Save. Touch this icon to customize additional settings. Touch the plus or minus keys to adjust the settings of an item. To return to the previous screen, touch this key. Some functions cannot be operated while you are driving. They will be grayed out or muted on the screen. Please see your Nissan Connect owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.